Hello students, I'm your online teacher Anamika Jha and today we will study a very interesting topic, fractions. We have studied about whole numbers and integers in our previous chapters. Now we will study fractions. Fractions are numbers representing part of a whole. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of the whole. A fraction is a number of the form p by q, such that q is not equal to 0 or 1. A number of the form p by q is called fraction, where p is the numerator and q is the denominator. Some examples: 1 by 2, 3 by 5. The numerator can be greater or smaller than the denominator. Are the following fractions? First, 0. No, 0 is not a fraction since it is a whole number. Next, 9 by 3. Again, 9 by 3 is not a fraction because 9 is completely divisible by 3. This will reduce the number to a whole number 3, which is not a fraction. Example of fraction. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Here we have a ball. The whole ball has been divided into 4 equal parts. Since only one of the 4 parts is shaded, the fraction representing the shaded portion would be 1 by 4. One more example. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Now we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 hours. Now 40 minutes is equal to 40 upon 60 hours. Simplifying this, we will get 4 upon 6 hours. Further simplifying, we will get 2 upon 3 hours. This can be shown by shading 2 parts of the 3 equal parts in a watch. That is 2/3 portion. Some pictorial representation of fractions. Fractions on the number line. We represent whole number and integers on the number line. Similarly, we represent fractions on the number line as well. Draw a number line and locate the point 1 upon 4. Here, 4 is the denominator. So, the unit length between two numbers will be divided into 4 equal parts. 1 by 4 means 1 part out of 4. It is marked on the number line at 1 by 4 and it lies between 0 and 1. Next example is, draw number line and locate the point 8 upon 5. Here the denominator is 5. So, the unit length between two numbers will be divided into 5 equal parts. And the value of each part is 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5 and so on. So, 8 upon 5 is located on the number line between 1 and 2. Next topic is types of fractions. There are 3 major types of fractions. First, proper fraction. Second, improper fraction. And third one, mixed fraction. Let's start with proper fractions. Fractions where numerator is always less than the denominator are called proper fractions. The value of proper fraction will always be less than 1. Let's take some example. 1 upon 4. Here the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 4. So the numerator is less than the denominator. So it is a proper fraction. Some more example. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3. In both the cases, the numerator is less than the denominator. So these are proper fractions. Next is improper fractions. Fractions where numerator is always more than or equal to the denominator are called improper fractions. The value of improper fraction will always be 1 or greater than 1. Example, 9 upon 5. Here the numerator is 9 and the denominator is 5. So the numerator is larger than the denominator. So this is an improper fraction. Some more example, 10 upon 7, 9 upon 3. In both the cases, the numerator is more than the denominator. So these are improper fractions. Next is mixed fraction. Fractions where there is a combination of whole and a fractional part is called mixed fraction. For example, if you have 2 whole apples and 1 half apple, how will you describe this? We can describe this as 2 plus 1 by 2 apples or 2 1 by 2 apples. So this combination of 2 and 1 by 2 is called as mixed fraction. Here we have a whole number 2 and a proper fraction 1 by 2. All improper fractions can be expressed as mixed fractions. So the three types of fractions are, first is proper fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator. Second one is the improper fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. And third one is the mixed fraction where there is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Next topic is expression of mixed as improper fraction and improper as mixed fraction. It is possible to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction and vice versa. First, we will convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. For that, we will follow certain steps. Step number 1 is divide the denominator into the numerator. Step 2, the quotient is the whole number part of the mixed number. Step number 3, the remainder is the numerator of the fractional part of the mixed number. Step 4, the divisor is the denominator of the fractional part of the mixed number. Therefore, a mixed fraction is written as quotient remainder upon divisor. Let's take one example to understand this. Write the improper fraction 47 upon 7 as a mixed number. First step is divide the denominator into the numerator. 47 divided by 7, the quotient is 6. So 6 becomes the whole number. The remainder is 5. So 5 becomes the numerator of the fractional part. The denominator, which is also used as the divisor, remains as 7. Therefore, 47 upon 7 is equal to 6, 5 upon 7. One more example. Just have a look. Now we will convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Again, we will follow certain steps. Step number 1. Multiply the denominator of the fraction by the whole number. Step 2. Add this product to the numerator of the fraction. Step 3. The sum is the numerator of the improper fraction. Step 4. The denominator of the improper fraction is the same as the denominator of the fractional part of the mixed number. So, mixed fraction can be written in the form of improper fraction as whole number into denominator plus numerator upon the denominator. Let's understand this conversion. Write mixed number 43 upon 4 as an improper fraction. Step 1. Multiply the denominator of the fraction by the whole number. Denominator is 4 and the whole number is again 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Add this result to the numerator of the fraction is the step 2. So here the numerator is 3. 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. Step 3. This answer becomes the numerator of the improper fraction. So the numerator of improper fraction is 19. Step 4. The denominator of the improper fraction is the same as the denominator of the fractional part of the mixed number. That is 4. Therefore, 4 3 upon 4 is equal to 19 upon 4. One more example, just have a look. So here we have covered some of the topic of fraction. Rest of the topics is in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.